Hey, what's up fellas, this is Mechanic Mode, another video from my YouTube channel, and today guys we'll work on 2018 Kia Sportage EX model. Pretty good trim. Particularly this car needs a new logo front emblem, and also it needs the passenger headlight. As you see in the video, the driver's side headlight is pretty decent shape. It's kind of transparent and it's not faded, unlikely with comparing to the passenger side. It's pretty rough. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how we're gonna start to do that. I believe this job can be done without remove the whole bumper assembly, but somehow I'll throw you some idea. Whoever wants to remove this bumper, then I'll kind of let you know up front what also you can do to remove this bumper. So let's go ahead and replace the headlight. Let me show you quick the new emblem and headlight that I bought on eBay. They're both aftermarket. The emblem will be for later on, and here's the driver headlight. It's pretty good. I did compare the new aftermarket headlight with the original one, and they pretty much are the same. So let's go ahead and start the new step by removing the upper radiator cover. The plastic cover has two 10mm bolts and about 5 plastic clips. Next, second step is going to remove the same clips on the fender liner, just the front side and lower side under the bumper. We got also two 10mm bolts. One is the one that actually holds the whole bumper. Second one is located under, right in the corner of the bumper, is holding the fender liner and the bumper together. Once you got all the clips and bolts removed, it's final time to remove and disconnect the bumper out of the fender. You have to apply pretty much a lot of pressure and make sure you don't kind of crack or rip off the bumper. You have to be very gentle and make sure also the clip stays intact. You can use a plastic screwdriver or even metal if you know how to do it, and kind of gentle remove the bumper out of the clip. It's actually pretty tricky. Make sure guys don't pull too hard. After you remove the bumper out of the bumper holder and the bracket, lift up a little bit of bumper and then pull towards yourself forward. And this is the right way to kind of disconnect the bumper, because there's also a bumper holder located right under the headlight. Pretty much you can see in the video what I was talking about. These little squares are the actual bumper holders going into the bracket. This is a bumper bracket that's actually connected to the fender by a couple bolts,
And in case guys, if you rip it off, there's a way you can replace that, so it's not a big deal, but pretty much I like it to keep that intact. Now it's the right moment to disconnect the connector. It's actually pretty easy, it has only one clip. And next will be the actual headlight. Here we go guys, we are about to unscrew all the bolts that actually holds the headlight. Most of them are 10 millimeter. There's only one on the fender, has a 12 millimeters. You can use a gun or a wrench to unscrew all of them. Final step for the headlight is the actually bumper holder that I was saying earlier. It's located right under the headlight. It's connected with three 10 millimeter bolts. Once you unscrew them, then you got the headlight out, and pretty much this is it. That's actually 2018 Kia Sportage headlight removal. This could be applied on the driver side as well. It's pretty much the same process. Let me show you quick before installing the new headlight. Here in the video you can see the alignment. That's where when you place the new headlight, you kind of align the headlight into it. There's little also brackets, they're located under the headlight, and that will help you to put the headlight in the right place. To put everything back together, follow through the same process as the removal. Make sure you tied up all the bolts pretty much good. Place all the plastic brackets and give it a try, test it before finalizing your job. And here we go guys, we got our brand new headlight installed.
Alright fellas, so the video is coming to an end. The Kia got the new passenger side headlight and of course the new logo emblem. That was mechanic mode. Also, if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment below, and see you next time.